be cracking my knuckles and fingers. It's gonna feel good. I'm gonna crack them. Wouldn't that be cool if all these would just crack all the time? I could just crack all of these. I'm not gonna stop till it cracks. There we go.